So, are there consequences of the just transition? And very supportive of your answer, and it makes a lot of sense to me. It's something that we think about at Fidelity. But does it mean that we have a slower pace of change? Does it
Yeah.
mean that we carry higher financial burden in the system?
So will it go fast enough or slow enough? There's going to be an accounting for this at all times. The question is just to do something. And so one of the challenges is people are talking about something in 2050. So you can't ignore that it takes steps to get there. But also, you can't get wound up. You just want people to get going. And what's been unbelievable is the amount of net zero commitments by private sector companies, the net zero commitments by states, cities, countries, et cetera. It covers 4,000, 5,000 companies have a net zero commitment. 95% of GDP as a country level has a net zero commitment. Do they have exactly how they're going to get there? No, but they have it. And then we, the people in the private sector, can sit there and figure it out, because now we have a duration that somebody's doing something. You can build markets around carbon capture. You can build markets around carbon markets. You can build markets around the transition value. But that's how we solve these things. And then capitalism come in and drive it. And that's hard for people to understand, because they want to say, are we making progress? Is there some number I can count? And there'll be lots of people having debates about that. But none of that takes into account the amount of work I see go on in the private sector that isn't countable in all those models, honestly. It just isn't countable.